miles south of Hutchinson, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, Glencoe, Brownton, Sumter, New Auburn, Biscay, Fernando, Hutchinson Airport, and Lake Marion Regional Park. This includes U.S. Highway 212 between mile markers 103 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.